Let's learn how to find half of a quarter cup. This is a common measurement needed in cooking and baking. Let's start by visualizing what a quarter cup looks like. Here's 1 cup divided into 4 equal parts. One of these parts represents a quarter cup. To find half of a quarter cup, we need to multiply 1/4 by 1/2. We write this as 1/2 times 1/4. Let's see what this means visually. Here's our quarter cup again. Now we're going to split this quarter in half. When we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together and denominators together. So 1 times 1 equals 1 in the numerator, and 2 times 4 equals 8 in the denominator. Therefore, half of a quarter cup equals 1/8 of a cup. Let's see this in our full cup again. Here's 1/8 of a cup highlighted in green. This is a useful conversion to remember when cooking. If a recipe calls for half of a quarter cup, you know you need 1/8 of a cup. Some other equivalent measurements are 2 tablespoons or 6 teaspoons. And that's how we find half of a quarter cup. Remember, when multiplying fractions, multiply the numerators together and denominators together to get your answer.